Hello and welcome to First Place TV. My name is Tumelo Makgakga. I am a registered chartered accountant, registered tax practitioner, and a registered auditor. Today's topic is SARS refunds. And the main question that we are dealing with today is, why has SARS not paid over the money that is due to me, the refund that they owe me? And yeah, we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about the different reasons why SARS could not have, or SARS has not paid over the money to you. And yeah, let's jump straight into it. So whether you are a business or an individual, when you submit your tax return, one of two things can happen. Either you can be selected for verification, or you could not be selected for verification. So by verification, it simply means that SARS want to verify that the information that you submitted on your return is valid and it's actually true. So in the instance where you have been selected for verification, SARS will request that you submit supporting documents to support your return. From the date when you submit those supporting documents, SARS has up to 21 business days to complete the verification. And once the verification is complete, SARS will issue a completion letter, and they will then, within that completion letter, discuss the results of the verification. Should it happen that SARS believes that no refund is due to you, they will explain those reasons there, and unfortunately you will not get a refund. There are remedies that you can take up, and you can also address, that you can use to address that outcome. Should it happen that SARS believe that you should receive your refund, then the refund will be processed within 2 to 3 business days from the issue date of the completion letter. The second scenario is when you have not been selected for verification. Now, when you have not been selected for verification, SARS will take 2 to 3 business days to pay over the refund into your bank account. Now, suppose you have not been selected for, or you have been selected for verification, and the 21 business days, you've submitted your supporting documents, and the 21 business days has passed. Still, the completion letter has been issued. SARS says you are due to receive your refund, but still nothing. You haven't received anything. Or if you have not been selected for verification and 2 to 3 business days has passed, so you still have not received your refund. Now, there are a couple of reasons why SARS will not pay over a refund that is due to you. The first reason is, number one, if you have invalid banking details. So that is to say the banking details that SARS has under your account are invalid, or they have not been updated, or SARS has requested you to update those banking details and to provide support, but you have not done that. All right, that's the first reason. Now, the second reason is if there are any other outstanding returns, any other outstanding tax returns on your profile, SARS then will not pay over the refund until all the outstanding tax returns have been submitted. And the third reason is if you owe SARS money. So in any previous period, if you have submitted your tax returns and you were found to be owing SARS and you have not yet paid SARS, then if in future, if you have any refunds, SARS will not pay over the refund to you until the debt is settled, right? If it's within the same taxes, so for example, if it relates to corporate income tax, that the liability and the refund, your statement of account will net off the two amounts. But if it's between two different taxes, for example, if you are owing payroll tax but you have a refund on the VAT, then you will not get the refund on your VAT because of the debt that is on your account. And then another reason is if SARS has requested you in the past to send any supporting documents and you have not done that, SARS will not pay over your refund. So if SARS as part of the process has requested that you provide supporting documents to support your return, then and you don't submit those documents, then you will obviously not get your refund. Now, what is your next move? What do you do in order to get your refund? Well, the first solution is to call SARS, or to call the SARS contact center and request to speak to a consultant and find out exactly why is your refund not being paid out. Which of those reasons is the main reason why your refund is not being paid out. Then once SARS clarifies the reason for not paying over the refund, then your next step is to fix that problem. If SARS says, we requested you to submit supporting documents, you haven't done that, then what you do is you go and submit the supporting documents that they require. Then they will verify and they will pay over the refund if everything is in order. If SARS says that you have outstanding returns, then your next step is to go in and submit all the outstanding returns, and after that your refund will automatically be paid over into your bank account. So if SARS says you have invalid banking details or your banking details are not verified, then your next step is to submit the supporting documents for your banking details, which is normally your stamped bank statements or your bank confirmation letter or letter from the bank confirming your account details, as well as your ID, etc. But bear in mind that a SARS contact center or call center, you can wait up to 3 hours for you to reach a consultant to be able to assist you. So there's also that, depending on when you call SARS, you can wait up to 3 hours. Well, alternatively, you can engage our services as experienced tax practitioners and people who deal with these matters on a day-to-day basis. We know exactly what to expect from SARS, and on a case-by-case basis, we know what are the documents that you should prepare in order for these issues to be resolved speedily or in a very, very fast manner. So essentially, those are the steps that you should look into and investigate. And yeah, depending on what the scenario is, to then dictate how long it takes for SARS to pay back and to process and pay back the refund. I really hope that you have derived some value out of this quick conversation that we've just had. And should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me by email. My details are on the screen, and or by call. And if you need any assistance, do not hesitate to reach out to our office and we will be glad to assist you. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of your day.